Hey guys, it's Isabel. This is my first ever video, and basically what this channel is going to be about is beauty and some other things. I don't want it to be just like a main focus on one specific thing. I want to do a bunch of different things for this channel. So for my first video, I'm going to do a review, and it's something new. I bought it today. I had to go all the way to another city to find it, so it better be worth it. I went to Sephora, and I never tried the first product that it was, but why not just start with something new? I already have all of my face makeup on, so I only have on concealer, which I use the Tarte Shape Tape, and the Neutrogena foundation. So that's all I have on my face right now. I do have my eyebrows done, just the top eyelashes done with mascara. So basically this is supposed to, let's read it, because it says it on the box. On the little information code right here, it says, technique: using the glow powder brush, apply all over face after applying foundation and concealer. Glow powder brush is sold separately. I didn't want to buy the brush. It was $38. Expensive. I don't want to spend that type of money. So basically, I'm just gonna shake it. It's not even open yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the seal. So it looks like that. Just like the other Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is also translucent, but it's supposed to make you glow. So we'll see how that works. I also have a mirror right here to see what I look like. So I took a little, oh, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna try it two separate ways on each side. So one way, I'm gonna do it with a beauty blender, and then another one with a brush. So I'm just gonna take the cap because it still has stuff in it. It looks pretty. It has little sparkles in it, so that's nice. So I'm gonna be looking this way where my mirror is to do it, and then I'm gonna look this way in front of the camera so you guys can see what I look like. I'm just putting it underneath my eyes and then pushing it up to my cheekbone. So it's kind of like I'm baking, but not really. And then I'm gonna put it all over my face. Okay, this is really pretty. It's really glowy, which I really like, to be honest. I really like highlight, which is good, so this is really pretty. It's not like boom, like out there type of thing, but it is really glowy and pretty. I'm just gonna get the brush, wipe it around. Okay, so this is the side with it on, and I used a beauty blender to do it. And then this is the side with just nothing on it yet. So now I'm gonna use my brush. This is, I don't remember, but it comes with a set, so I use it. There's no number on it or anything. I'm just gonna put the brush in the cap. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the other side, but just with a brush instead. Underneath, up, blend out. Okay, so using a brush, it is a little messier instead of just using the beauty blender, because the beauty blender just like holds it impact and it doesn't like go all over your face. Like if you could, I think you could see it when I went like this and like powder went everywhere. So I don't know, but so far so good. Okay, so it is all over my face now, and you don't need that much at all. You can barely like tap on the lid and it's perfectly the fine amount because it is very glowy. As you can see, it literally looks like I have highlight on, but not like it's just glitter all over my face. It's more of like a sheen, shine type thing, and it looks really pretty. I would totally recommend this. I mean, it makes my face look really pretty, nice. It makes my complexion look really well. So I would give this product a 10 out of 10, and I will be buying the bigger size after I'm out of this one, but it's gonna take at least 3 or 4 months for me to get completely out of this. So I wouldn't recommend this to people who don't like glowy skin. It's more of like a glowy type thing, so the people who are into like the dewy look, that type of thing, then I would recommend it for those people. But the ones who like a matte finish, I don't really think they'd like it, but it is really pretty, really lightweight, so I would totally recommend it. Anyway, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know it's kind of all over the place. It's my first video. I hope that over time it gets better and I can look into the camera more and be more bubbly with my personality and everything instead of just rambling. But I am a rambler, so you'll find that out through the videos. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.